Hey guys, how's it going? Chris Busa here, and I want to show you the sheer power that instant traffic Siphon has. Now, this is the software, the main interface when you open it up. Pretty ugly, but it's extremely powerful, and I'm going to show you a quick demo of what this thing can do and how it can help you guys to find traffic and siphon it over to your sites. Um, with that being said, I had this thing created for me to basically, you know, saved me an immense amount of time of getting traffic campaigns going and finding where the traffic is, who's got the profitable or buying traffic for their market. And I can quickly go into any market and find where the traffic is with this tool and start quickly generating and set up a campaign after I do a little research with the tool and set up some campaigns and turn on a switch. I use paid traffic, but this tool will also allow you to find little golden nuggets for if you're doing SEO too. So both free traffic and paid traffic. So it's going to show you where the traffic is. All right. So the first thing we have to do is we need to enter in a website to find where the traffic is. We want to find basically if you're in a market or you're going into a market, you want to model after someone who's already successful in that market. So I'm sure you guys know where your competition is, okay? And if not, I can show you, you know, real quickly. Let's do this. So I'm gonna go over to this site I found. It's called cybercoded.com / top clickbank products. Okay, and this is updated every day. You can see it's April 4th last updated, and it's basically pulling the top clickbank products from the marketplace. We can also go to clickbank and do that, but this is going to tell us the top clickbank rate, top ClickBank products in the marketplace. All right. If I also go over to ClickBank, and let's go to ClickBank. I'm sure all you guys know about ClickBank. If not, you can come here, create a free account. But I'm just gonna go, not even log in, and just go to this affiliate marketplace. So basically, show you guys that every niche that you ever want to get into basically is in this marketplace. So this is a good place to come to do some research. I don't know why it's going so slow here. Where that's going, we'll go over here and we'll just look at these top ClickBank offers real quick. See fat burning kitchen, um, data dollar, so that's like a make money biz op type offer. Another take cash for surveys, that's a biz op offer. Paid social media jobs, that's like a biz op offer. uh, Paleo hacks, or however you pronounce that. So that's like a health offer. Another 5-figure day, that's wealth offer. Google Sniper, that's another biz op type offer. Coconut oil. So you can see health and wealth is huge. I mean, these are the top products. The CB passive recurring income or CB passive income. That's another biz op type offer. Another paleo diet offer. So you can see that the trend here with these top offers, health and wealth is going to be your like biggest category. All right, looks like this thing's finished loading. I don't know why it took so long, but we're over at ClickBank. You can see the categories and look at all these categories. This is basically every niche online, or I mean, some local brick and mortar businesses, aren't going to be on here, but as far as the main niches, they're all here. And then you can click on one of these and then it breaks it down into sub niches, so you can even break it down even further. But let's just click on this arts and entertainment. I'll just show you quickly. This isn't about ClickBank and how to find products, but um, quickly, you click on the arts and entertainment category and we can sort by popularity or gravity, really, and that's going to tell you the most, basically the top products within if they're on this first page, they're the top products within that category that are doing well or most popular. You can also sort by gravity, and that basically that number. You can look at ClickBank's wow, this thing's going real slow today. I don't know what's going on with it. But Gravity basically will yeah, I don't know what the hell is going on with ClickBank right now. All right, there we are. So popularity, we can sort by gravity, and gravity is the number basically that other it'll show you the higher the number of the gravity means basically the more affiliates that are promoting it and successfully making sales with that, so lets you know that that product's selling. And I got no clue what's going on with ClickBank today, so I gotta get out. It's gonna piss me off. So we'll go over here and we'll just pick one of these offers so I can show you um what's going on over here. And there's a lot of offers. Let's just here's a I know the truth about abs is Mike Geary's product, and that's been a big seller for a long, long time. So I'm sure he's got a ton of traffic, and this is in the health niche. Um, I don't know if all right. So here we are. It's the Fat Burning Kitchen by Truth About Abs, and what we're gonna do is just grab this URL up here. So all we need to do is copy that. And if I wanted to really go through all the products and, take the top products and basically come up with a little keyword list, and I'll show you, we could enter those in a bulk website URLs that you want to do research on, and you hit schedule. And it will take a little bit of time. Each of these probably takes about, well, we'll see, takes about 20 seconds or so. So you enter in your URL that or your competition that you want to find, and you just hit schedule, and we'll sit here. We'll see how long it takes. Right now it says pending, and it's just going through and pulling back all the data on this one website, and then we'll be able to see where their traffic is. All right, so finish. That's probably under 10 seconds. So like I said, it probably takes 10 to 20 seconds each one. If you enter in a bulk URL list, it's going to take a couple minutes to come back. So next thing we got to do is click on the searched URL or searched results. All right, so we'll open this up, and now we can see the data in this website information. Here's the different tabs on this website. Okay, so here's the website URL. We can see that they got estimated visitors of 1 million visitors a month. The average time on the site. We can see their bounce rate, direct traffic, referral traffic, search traffic, the percentages of that stuff. Display ad traffic, that's another good thing to take into note. Display ad is basically media buys and banner ads so that's the percentage of the traffic coming in from media buys to the site. Okay, does it also say mail traffic? Yeah, so you can see emailing, a bunch of good stats just in this one little tab. And really what I'm concerned with when I look for sites is this estimated visitors. Make sure they got a bunch, a good amount of traffic coming to the website. How long they stay on that. Sorry about that. How long they stay on the site. And so that's that tab. And we got the subdomains. We can see subdomains if there is any geography. We can see the percentage of where their traffic is coming from, what countries. And we can see, United States is the bulk of the traffic. Social traffic. So we can see, Facebook is trumping everybody for the amount of traffic they have. And then there's also these other social sites. So that's a good thing to know too, where you can be promoting your offers, and who likes your offers. So it looks like YouTube and Twitter are second on this list. And then I like the top publishers. This is going to tell you basically the top sites that some media buys are going on, or these are affiliate sites, but these are basically the top sites that are have ads on them with that are promoting this offer. Okay, so we can either right click and view this website and see if we can see an ad. Should take me right over there. All right, so we'll click on that, the 3-week diet. And the 3-week diet looks like another ClickBank product. Yeah, it is a ClickBank product right here. So this is probably another product in the marketplace, and this person is promoting um, that offer on their back end somehow. Okay, so they're sending them a lot of traffic through that. So that's one of the top sites. So that could be another site that we want to, okay, so I can right click and hit schedule and it will start running the traffic on that. So let's do that real quick. So that's scheduling in the background, and it's going to pull back the data, and we'll be able to look at the data of that website too. Okay, so those are good to keep in effect. Also, what we do with this tool is we start building a URL list. So what we're doing is gathering research here and going to see what sites we would want to run on or other sites we want to pull information from. So I can just click this box right here on the left, and we're going to go add to my list. All right. That's that, one click, done. And then there's similar sites, okay? So similar sites are good because these are sites that we might not have ever even thought of that we can go and do research on within the tool. And like I said, we could highlight all these and we could go like this, schedule, and it will start bringing back the data on all those, okay? Also, or we just build our keyword list, which I'm going to do, and I'll show you that in a second. Add to my list. Okay, so we know all of these similar sites are similar to this product we're trying to promote. Um, then we have the referring sites tab. So basically between the top publishers and referring sites are going to be the people who are sending them all their traffic. All right, so these are good to know. All right, these are sites that you want to advertise on or do research on, so we got the blog paleo hacks. We got Newsmax, which is a huge site, the alternative daily. $3 click, which I think is some sort of advertising network, and naturalnews.com. So I could highlight all those, and then I'll hit the control button just so I deselect the $3 click, because I know that it's just an advertising network. All right, and then add to my list. Destination sites. This tab is basically after they buy, where are they landing, and what other sites are they going to. So here's some other sites we can add. Info, old school, new body. I know that one. I've seen that one in the ClickBank marketplace before. It's another product. So add to my list. Top ad networks. If there's any data, we could actually see which ad networks. Even though we found a couple of them, it will tell you what ad networks, if they're running on Google Display or Taboola or Facebook or whatever. It will tell you the top ad networks. In this case, it doesn't show us any, but that's okay. We can see the audience interests, what else this audience is also interested in, so you could actually go after some of these other sites or these categories to dig deeper into your audience. We have also visited websites. So the similar sites is different. That's just going to be like similar sites based on this, but this is actually where your audience is also going. So we can basically chase your audience around around the internet with these sites. So I can see I already added this alternate daily. And we're just going to add this list. And you're going to see in a second what this add list is. And this is basically what this tool I had made for, is so I can build this list. real quickly, and then I'll export the list, and then I can use those in my campaigns. All right. So next is organic keywords. We can see the keywords that are basically people are coming from, that are in the search engines, that these people are being found from. So this is good data to know, especially for you SEO guys, or if you guys are doing Bing pay-per-click or Google pay-per-click. Any pay-per-click network, you use keywords. Also, PPV networks, you use keywords too. So these are good to have. We're going to add that to my list. All right, and then we're going to go to the next tab, which is the paid keyword tab. So for all you guys doing SEO, um, trying to find these keywords in the Google keyword tool or something, why not go after keywords that people are actually paying per click? Because obviously those are profitable to get ranked. So, and also for paid keywords. So here's the paid keyword list. Truth about abs and fat. Okay, we'll add that to the list. And there we go. Let me go back. I gotta exit out of that, and then we're gonna go back to the search results. Now we can see the 3-week diet stats, and they are getting a ton of visitors too. Not as many, but about half the visitors. So they got a good amount of traffic. We can go to top publishers again, and see. We got this weight loss here. We'll add that to the list. We got eBay, and anytime if you're not sure about this, this is just some another ClickBank product. Anytime you're not sure about one of these URLs, if it fits your research, if it's something else, you can, like I said, you can either just Control C and copy it once it's highlighted and check it out. Paste that in there in your browser and check it out, or you can, like I said, you can right click and view website. All right, so we got other similar sites, free online diet plans, diet plan tips, dailygossip.org, that might be a good one. And then these two we'll go add to my list. And if we want to keep going deeper and really get some research, build a huge keyword list real quick, we can jump into these other sites too if we wanted to. But I really like the referring sites tab because that's going to tell you where the traffic is coming from. The CB engine is not, and like I said, you check out these sites to make sure they're legit. Like this one, I don't know what this is, so let's just view that website, check that out. Okay, and this is a diet, so we know it's legit. So we'll go bait and that fit lifestyle. CB engine is not. We'll view this one. To sleep. So this is just a blog, but look at right here. So we got some ads up here. Let's just click on one of these sites and let's see. Oh, so that's taking us over to another site. This is just looks like a content curated content basically on this site. Just looking for some ads that maybe we can find that let's see this one, to sleep. Okay, so here we are. We're internally in the site. Now we can just see some. Well, these sponsored ads aren't showing up yet. So this is just basically a site with a bunch of viral content on it. yeah, it just goes to different sites or in their own site, and then they have these ads at the top, which it didn't work. Um, I don't know what's going on with this. It's a bunch of viral content. Their ads aren't showing up, but yeah. So like this one, this could be a diabetes offer or this is some sort of offer here. 3 harmful foods. We're looking for three. This isn't a ClickBank offer. It's some other offer. I bet it's some sort of diabetes offer. But that 3 week diet, no doubt, is on here. And I'm sure they have ads that rotate on this site, so that's where they're being found. So close out these. Go back to the search results. So we got the 2 sleep, we got this, we got that, boom. Add to my list. All right. Destination sites. We can see where else they're going. Doctor certified, Vimeo, PDF, Dropbox. So that's where they're delivering their content with Dropbox and this PDF Escape and Vimeo. Probably have Vimeo videos in their membership area. See now this one, top ad network. We can see Outbrain, ClickSense, Media Hub. Never heard of that. Media Traffic. Bidvertiser, okay? So that's a pay-per-click network. Media Traffic, PPV network, Media Hub. I don't know about them. ClickSense is some real cheap traffic, but it actually could convert for these offers. I used it back in the day. You can get clicks really cheap. Basically, people have to view your ads, and they it's like a network where people view your ads and they get credits or they get paid just for viewing your ads. So I mean, but if your ad's good enough, people will buy. So good amount of the traffic. Outbrain is a content type um, network that basically shows people blog content and stuff like that. So it's another network and other, I don't know what's up with other. But in this case, we can see the top ad networks where people are running. Okay. And the other sites like the referring sites and that type of stuff and top publishers, those are probably more direct buys that people are doing. Okay. People actually going to the sites and just either have some sort of contract with that site owner, or they have an a link on there where it says advertise with us, and they place their ad on that person's site. All right. And we can find out all that just by visiting the sites. So also interested, also visit a website. So we can see some more. Also visit a website. So we got the fat diminisher. That is another ClickBank product. We'll add that. I don't know what these other ones are. Well, this is someone's ClickBank account or other accounts the vendor has or something. So we'll add the fat diminisher, okay, to my list. And the fat diminisher, actually, we'll schedule that because I know that's a big ClickBank product too. Probably gets a ton of traffic. All right, we'll see this. Oh, it's gonna take a second. So, all right, here we are. All right, so we got 3 week diet. We'll add all these paid keywords. So I'm getting into like a little bit more in depth in this demo than I wanted to, but I want to show you guys the power of this tool. Okay, so we'll add these to our list too, and then we could have closed this. Might have to have my programmer do an update so it actually just refreshes instead of exiting out every time. So the fat diminisher just finished. Now we'll check out the data on that. Okay, so they got even more than the other Truth About Abs site. 1.3 million a month. Average time on site is 1 minute and 12 seconds. Let's check out their top publishers. Style Craze, huh? LB times, save files. I don't know what style craze is. Check that out. Oh, didn't work, so I'll copy that. Come check this out. I bet they're gonna have an exit pop when I go like that. Yep, most of these ClickBank offers have this. They have an exit pop, basically either to the text version of their sales letter or to a discount. I'll just leave this page, and then they still take me to that other. All right, so here's Style Craze, and this is a viral type site, health site, makeup, hair care, skincare, hairstyles, health and wellness. So, no doubt they have some ads on here for the fat diminisher somewhere. These are articles you might also like. Let's see, these are other articles, usually down here. Trending now, this is Rev content, okay, and then they could be on here too. 5 drinks for weight loss, so let's see what that one is. This is actually a good article someone's promoting, and their ads are just littered here. So, like I said, the fat diminisher is probably hidden in here. It's just all these ads are 16 simple exercises. Here's an ad from Google. Want rapid weight loss, thyroid fix. Here's more Google ads. 5 foods you must not eat. Oh, that's a trim down club. Alright. So you can see this is definitely a site where that ad would be running on. So Style Craze looks like a good one to add to our list, right? Similar sites, no other similar sites, referring sites. We got Channel 107 News, Lifestyle Hack, AdClick.co, that's probably some sort of advertising network, Authority Nutrition, so we'll add these two. Destination sites, see where they're going. Ab Strength Guide, lose the back pain. So the back pain is probably not a good one. We'll do these two. Add to my list. Top ad network, doesn't show up for this one. Also visited. Looks like that same account showing up again. 61 stats, CB trends, that's not, alright, so we'll get the keywords. And look at that keyword right there. That's probably a buying keyword, even though it's in the organic thing, fat diminisher PDF. That fat diminisher is probably a program that's in the is a that fat diminishers probably has a PDF download. So these are people that's a buying keyword if I ever seen it. Someone typing that into Google or Bing or whatever is looking for the fat diminisher PDF. They probably want that PDF, so they're probably gonna buy. So you could pop up your ad, or if you're, you can use this as an affiliate too. Here's that traffic is coming in through these keywords, whether it's paid or organic. So you can use these for paid keywords too. So you don't have to do a ton of work, or you do it for your SEO campaigns or paid traffic campaigns. Like I said, these are what the site is getting. Their traffic's coming from these keywords, okay? Paid keywords, we want those. Oh, did I add those? Let me see, add to my list. Paid keywords. I don't know what the hell. basically fat diminisher, Duncan diet, or Dukan diet, what drinking, alright, so there we go. I think I've done a little bit more than I wanted to in this demo as far as this screen goes here, okay? So now we got our information, we built our keyword list, I'm going to show you that. Right now we'll exit out of there, okay? So that was all just with 3 sites, and if I knew these sites, I could have entered them in the bulk websites from jump, okay? Next, we're going to go to our searched, we're going to go to my list, okay, and see what we got for our keyword list. So this is the keyword and URL list we have built, okay, and this is why I had this tool built, okay, because I want to be able to export these keywords and with a click of a button build a whole keyword list or build a URL list, all right, and where you use URLs, um, you know, you could get these ranked too probably if you're doing like SEO and stuff too, but I'm a paid traffic guy. I like to flip a switch and basically have traffic coming in uh, really fast, but long-term SEO stuff, you know, this tool will kill it for that too. Um, so for these URLs, you can use these in, you know, Google Display Planner or, you know, Display Network or whatever and bid on these URLs. Or you can do PPV traffic and bid on these URLs, and your site will pop up whatever you're advertising for these URLs you're bidding on. Same with keywords too, PPV network and paid traffic campaigns. So all this is good stuff. Now we're gonna basically multiply this keyword list, all right? So we got these keywords, all right? Now we can get long tail version of these keywords, okay? Um, what we want to do is basically take a seed keyword. So we got the, let's go to the fat diminisher PDF, right? We'll take that one, okay? And then I'm just gonna Control C on my keyboard, copy that, okay? Now I'm gonna minimize that, and we're gonna go to this search keywords, all right? I had this tool created um, within this tool to find long tail keywords of this seed keyword. We can either search the Google, YouTube, Bing, and the App Store, all right? Google and YouTube, that's Google's the #1 search engine in the world. YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world, just so you know that. And then there's Bing. And then the App Store is, you know, you could use that too. But for this example, we'll just do the Google and we'll put in the fat diminisher PDF. We'll hit search. And what this is going to do is bring back a ton of long tail keywords that contain our seed keyword in it, okay? So you know they're laser targeted, and it's going to show us the top keywords. And you know, this was a pretty long tail keyword and pretty targeted already, so it only brought back 6 keywords, but we can add those to our list, all right? So we'll add those to our list. Let's go back, we'll find another one. So we'll do lose weight. Lose weight, let's do the 3-week diet. Copy that. I'm not going to do all of them. I just want to show you that. With the power of this tool. So 3-week diet. For this one, let's do YouTube. Okay, so we'll click on YouTube and we'll hit search. See how many brings back for YouTube. All right, so 35 keywords. And like I said, it's already a 3-word keyword, so you can see, you know, so we got the three-week diet, right? 3-week diet review, 3-week diet plan, 3-week diet system, results, plan reviews, diet meal plan. And let me show you what this tool is actually doing, so you know that it's dead accurate with what's going on. basically, so if you put in that search term in Google and then hit a space, right? Um, see, what it's doing is bringing back all these. If you put in different, so there, these are going to be your top search terms that it has pulled back. And if we go back, let's verify that. So we got review, plan, system, results, plan, reviews. Review, plan, results, system, plan, reviews. All right, so that's what it's bringing back. And then also it's bringing back the A's, the B's, the C's, and all that. Okay, so but without putting in an A or any of that, these are going to be your top searched results anyway. So that's the what you want to go after, obviously. So, and it's the long tail version. So if you're doing SEO, obviously you have a better chance of ranking for one of these long tail versions opposed to this. But that keyword is also in that long tail version. So you can rank for both of them. So you're going to rank for multiple searches within that one keyword because it's long tail, right? That's the power of long tail keywords and going after, and you can easily quickly get rankings, especially if you guys are doing YouTube videos, okay? And which these terms are getting searched on YouTube, okay? So let's just click on one of these system. Let's just do 3-week diet plan. Let's see what this top one. So I mean, these things are getting a ton of traffic. 3-week diet plan. 19,000 views. This thing got. This one got 11,000 views. This one got over 1 million views, but it was 3 years ago posted. This was 3 months ago. 12,000 views. So you can see a ton of these have got a bunch of traffic coming through just from YouTube alone. And again, we'll go over to Google and I'll show you it does the same thing. So we'll just put in diet plan, hit a space, and those are the top searches for that. So let me just add this keyword list, add to my list. And this is going to take it was only 35 words, so it didn't take that long. It was pretty quick, actually. So we'll see Google how much it brings back, right? So we'll hit search. This tool right here is super powerful for long tail keywords, eliminates a lot of these tools that I see selling online. So 261 keywords from Google, all right? So we'll add those. And again, they're super laser targeted. And as you see in the search, we got plan reviews, PDF, plan free, plan review, PDF, plan free. Okay, so lines right up. And with a click of a button, we just added the keyword list, 261 keywords. So how much of a time saver is that? I mean, these are going to be the top ones, but we just found 261 keywords, and it's going to show you, go in order from obviously. So, here's the proof in the proof that it goes in order. We just matched it right up with my tool and it took them. And then the rest of those long tail keywords, like how long would it take you to find those, to write down all those 261 keywords? Go find these other ones that, Google isn't just showing you those. You'd have to go through every letter just to find those. And so look at this. This is going to be the first one. And so if I put in the letter A, let's put in, we'll put the letter A in and see if it brings back and exercise plan. Obviously affiliate we don't want in there, but it added it. So let's just put in A. So we got and exercise plan affiliate, so there you go. So 261 keywords we added with a click of a mouse. And that is the searched keyword tab, okay? Powerful tool. So now our list has grown. Let me see what happened here. My list, 32 keywords, all right? So what we can do now is say, we'll just call this, we'll call it diet keywords or whatever. Yeah, diet keywords. right? We'll put 332, so I know that's how many. This is usually I do it. You can also click this button, import a list of keywords, and then start adding to them if you want to do that. Um, then we have we can also select all these and delete them if we wanted to, or uh, come down the row and hold control and select individual ones if you want to do that. I don't want to do that. And so here's our URL list, right? And I'm going to show you a special feature that I had generated because these basically we're going to multiply this list here. Oh, that's what I'm going to show you real quick. So also when you have these keywords, so 3-week diet, like this is a good one to go after. It's already or this one. We'll do this lose weight fast. I'm gonna copy that to the clipboard. Control C, and we'll minimize this. And we're gonna go to the search URL tool. Okay, and this we're gonna paste in that keyword. Okay, and it can't have spaces. So we're gonna make sure that keyword's there in the URL, and this is gonna search the top URLs in Google that have that keyword in their URL. So we got 11 URLs that have that keyword in the URL. So this is how to build our URLs even more based on those keywords. And then, did the same thing, right click, add to my list. So I've added those keywords to the list now. So it grew from 30 something to 48. And again, we can do it with all these. So we could just take fat. We could take truth about abs, 3-week diet. We'll do 3-week diet, right? So we'll go back. That's the search URLs tool. Gotta get rid of these spaces. Hit search URLs. Boom. So we got 10 URLs that come back with a 3-week diet. Add that to the list. Hit that. Alright, so there we are. We got, I think there's even more than that. Yeah, 58. So that just grew. And again, you can do that with, a bunch of these keywords if you want to. I might have the code, my programmer actually make that feature so I could right click this and add that to the search URLs tool too. Make this list monstrous with a click of a button too. That might be an updated feature coming out. I might have to do because that takes a little bit of time going over there and doing it. But with a click of a button, you can scrape some URLs pretty quickly. So, all right, that's that. Okay, next, what I wanted to show you was this generate special URLs. Now, if we bid on these in the PPV networks, most likely these ones like the 3-week diet, that's the root URL of the product we searched, right? So most likely a lot of people are bidding on that one URL. Okay, so when you bid on, and PPV is extremely powerful because think of this: your pop-up will show when you bid on this URL. Your pop-up will they'll either go to Google and do a search for and put that keyword in their browser, or they'll do it on Google search or Bing, any of them. It doesn't matter, YouTube, whatever. But these people have a software installed on there, which they agree to the terms. It's not it's not spyware or anything harmful. Basically, they have a software that's installed or a browser installed on their computer, and they get served a certain amount of ads, and they agree to it. So they have this on their computer, and when they go and do a search for the 3-week diet, if they wanted to go there, .com, your ad will pop up on their screen. Okay, so it's extremely powerful, especially if you have a product related to that or you're promoting that product. Okay, and your affiliate link pops up. So PPV can be extremely powerful, and like I said, most likely with something with that amount of traffic coming to it, 1.5 million or whatever visitors a month. They got a lot of traffic. They're also going to have a lot of competition within the PPV ad network of other affiliates, bidding on this keyword, right? So you can mop up other traffic by using special URLs or special characters. So this is what I had created. So I'm going to select all of these, right? And I'm going to generate special URLs. We'll hit that button. It's going to take a second. There's 58 of them, and it's going to multiply this list for us. All right, so it just turned that 58 URLs into 290 URLs. Okay, now you don't have to use these special character URLs, but if you want to mop up some really cheap traffic with PPV, um, and still be laser targeted on that initial term. So you can see the 3weekdiet.com. That was the one we bring out. Now you have 3weekdiet.com / in the back. You got .3weekdiet.com / dot. There's all these different variations that you can mop up this traffic that the PPV networks allow you to put in there, and it just multiplied that for each and every keyword. So this URL list is super laser targeted. We got the root keywords, and then we have these / that other people on these PPV networks don't even know about or how to do. And there could be 10 other people bidding on that one URL, and they could. Usually what you want to do in pay-per-view, this is besides the whole instant traffic Siphon. It should be a whole another course. I'm probably going to do it, show you advanced techniques with PPV. But there's probably there could be 10 people bidding on this one URL, right? And then the top bid could be like super high cost per click or cost per view that they're bidding. So you'd eat your whole budget up. But you could use these other URLs to bid on, and it's the same URL basically. It's someone actually going in and typing that in the search engine or whatever. So it's laser targeted still, and you could be the only one. So now you're mopping up all this other traffic for the same offer and the same URL, but you're getting extremely cheap clicks and cheap views because of this tool. All right. So that's the power of the generate special URLs tool that I had made up for, especially this is, I had this my programmer do this just for my PPV campaign, so I could, with a click of a button, make these special characters, and this is a huge, huge time saver for me. So, I mean, you saw how quickly we built this list, and obviously I'm talking, making this video, and explaining each section, but within a couple minutes, you can really go in here, do some research, build a massive keyword list that's laser targeted, get long tail keywords. You can use each tool separated. So we got the basically the data tool to find where the traffic is. Once we find the traffic, we then export those over to our keyword list, start building that, and then we can use from there. We can you know use the search URL tool, use the search keyword tool. You could go in there and just use the search keyword tool if you already know your keywords. This thing's got a ton of tools right within it, and it's a super time saver. Hope you guys like this. It's not released to the public yet. This is still in beta, and I want to get a bunch of beta testers so we can find new features. And I want to get you guys feedback. So if you're interested in this, all right, you can somewhere on this page, or there'll be a link below. You can hop on the early bird list as soon as this thing is released to the public. Like I said, I made this for myself. This isn't some tool that I had created just so I can make money off of it, like all these other softwares that are useless that you see. This is an actual time saver, and for all traffic, to find where the traffic is. And like I said, you can siphon it to your sites once you know where the traffic is, and go set up campaigns. This is where the magic happens, is this list. Oh, let me show you this one more. So once we have this list, so we got the 332 diet keywords, right? And then we got 290 diet URLs, right? So you can either export as a CSV or export as a text. I'll just do it as a text. That's usually what I'll do with the networks. Also, you could just highlight all these and copy all URLs to clipboard. I think you can do that too and copy all those too. Copy the stuff to the clipboard and just jump over if you have this tool open up while you're actually creating your campaigns. You could do that too. So let me show you. So here they are right here. We'll just click this, and there's our keyword list. All right, and there's our URL list. All right, so I think that's all. I hope you guys like this. Like I said, you want to get on the early bird list and check this thing out, and start testing this thing out using in your campaigns. Um, Hope to see you guys on the inside. Get on the early bird list and grab this before I change my mind. All right, have a good one.